Hi guys, welcome back to Island Life Caribbean Style. And here we are at this wonderful beach. Wonderful background. Hope you guys are having a fab time. And today we are going to do some shrimp tortilla wraps. We have shrimp here. I have it soaking to devein it and peel it. And we have sweet peppers, some yellow sweet peppers, some tomato, some pimentos, sorry. We're gonna make a fruit veggie salsa to go with our tortilla wraps. And I'm also going to do the tortillas right here on the beach. So guys, look forward to this. This is going to be an excited one for me. Okay, this is my first time doing tortilla wraps and shrimp tortillas together in one. It's going to be a little bit spicy with our salsa and our tortillas. So let's get going. One white onion, so I'm just going to use half of it inside the pan area. Darius and Ariana, get on the board please. Get on the board now. Get your board. Yes, you. I'm always have to be looking after them. Even while I'm cooking. Have to be paying attention to them. Get your board. Yeah, but your father back turn. So guys, this is going to be marvelous. So we're going to stir it up. I'm going to put my lime juice and stuff in it. Up and see how it looks. If it needs anything else, I will add as I go along. Smells nice. Tastes good. Some more in this color here. And I also have a pineapple for it. Pineapple. What's pineapple blue? Yeah. Oh, I also forgot the oranges. I will do the oranges just now. So this is what it looks like here. Looks really good. Got the different colors in it. I'm going to do an orange. the other half of the orange in here because it needs some juice. And I am going to squeeze this. Yeah. Make sure no seeds don't get into the of a lemon to give it a little tiny taste. Right, that, and then I am going to give it some salt, some black pepper, and give it some trusty salt. Guys, this may not be the way you guys do it, but this is the way I do mine. Let me see how it tastes. How it tastes?
Very good. Citrusy. I don't feel no heat though. Oh yeah, there it is. Very nice.
Yeah. So guys, I have here some garlic and ginger puree together. So I'm going to season the shrimp. I have my all-purpose seasoning, my all-purpose salt, sorry. I'm going to give it a good amount. Yes, it's windy, so it's kind of blowing away. All-purpose seasoning. I love this. This is my favorite. This and this is my favorite. Some paprika now. Woo. And a little bit of salt. So guys, we have a lovely seasoned shrimp. This is good stuff here.
What's that?
Sriracha.
I found this.
Show me.
I thought we have been looking
First
for this.
time we found it.
We have been looking for this for a long time, and you would not believe we find it in a little countryside. It's called Miaro. Yes, Miaro. Sriracha chili sauce. So we're going to try this today for the first time.
Oh, I want to taste it.
We're going to make some tortillas. Some flour tortillas at the beach. So 3 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, just mix up the dry ingredients. Add a bowl. Add that there. Warm water. So it's been about 15-20 minutes now, so I'm going to sprinkle some dry flour. Just make some small balls with it. I'm going to cut. I'm just going to cut the flour this here, so put your hands like this and you just do it like this.
Right.
Well guys, we're gonna roll out the tortilla skin now and cook it on the fire. I'll put the fat up on it. Roll it out nice. Tender nice. I don't like it fat, I just like it tender, man.
Nice.
And it cooks really fast.
Do you need oil on that thing?
No. No. We have one here.
That looking nice already.
We have one here. My kids want to roll out some. So what we will do
I
is,
want to roll this one.
so I will do a few and if they will
We will roll out ours.
kids will roll out theirs. It's hot, so I'm going to drop the tortillas on it. Make sure it's hot properly.
The real question, Mummy, is who's getting the first one?
Me.
Mommy,
Oh God, I thought I was.
see me in it.
I thought I was gonna score there, but.
Yeah, you will, but next time. So yeah, see how it's nice. It could move. And just do it now. Oh, it could move, man.
Ooh, nice.
See how nice the tortilla is. It has nice brown. It's swell. Oh, that's perfect. This
Not
is
Daddy.
so perfect.
No, it's Mummy's.
Come on, fill Alakai. You roll it.
Ooh, and it's even
You guys,
swelling.
the show.
This is nice. So we don't want it to overcook, but this is perfect. Tortillas on the beach, guys, and it's my homemade tortillas. That is perfect.
I think you need a little
To make it look pretty.
I think you need a little
Some action. Some action.
You're eating it if it falls, eh?
Pizza flipper.
This is a tortilla, not a pizza. You're eating it if it flies, eh?
Let me go now.
You need a little of this. Dave, we already saw that. We're trying to watch these jacks.
Anyone drop it on the floor, you eat it.
I told them already, Mummy. Okay, don't play with it, okay? We're shooting a video here, ladies and gentlemen.
Roll a couple more. You get it, Sarah? Darius, that burns. Bring it
All right,
down.
I'm building lettuce. Some of this absolutely phenomenal salsa. Chunks of pineapple. Yeah, there we go. Final thing.
Shrimp. The shrimp.
Not your everyday shrimp.
And a little bit of the sauce.
Last but not least, babe.
Mommy, mine's rally pin.
Last but not least,
Cheese.
the cheese.
All right.
So tell me how my spicy shrimp salsa tortillas are.
Tortillas are real good.
Yeah.
And it was all done on that amazing beach.
Yeah. Oh, I love the spice.
It's perfect, eh? Oh, my but it's so spring and I want to do it, so I'm gonna put down the camera for now and I'm gonna make mine. My kids are my critics. So Darius, how it is?
Good.
10 being world famous.
10.
And good job, boy.
No hesitation there at all.
Yep. These are the Dylan's still doing his tortilla, and apparently Alaka is going to eat a,
Fat man.
well, that's his words, not mine. But anyhow,
Mommy, you can make
Then
me
we
a
have-
better one though.
Ariana here.
Watch me flip the fire out.
It's still hot.
Fire out.
No, it's still hot enough to the point where you don't need
Mary,
it.
that's your plate, baby. I'll put some.
It's swollen. Come. I am again scared there. It's swell.
Alaka, Ariana, grab it.
What to do with it now, Mommy? I'm confused. He's the one who's cooking it. And he's confused. He don't know what to do.
Just flip it over here. Don't look at it get burned. That's okay.
That really
Just
swell
to
was
be the
that
inside
burn
piece
pass.
and make sure you...
Alakai. How is it?
Ten.
10 out of what?
No, out of 10, a billion.
Is that good, eh?
Mom, it should win a restaurant.
How is it?
8 out of 10.
All right, 8 out of 10. Mommy, how do you taste it?
Well, let's see how my spicy shrimp tortilla with salsa tastes. Oh my god. If you guys feel how my heart is, it's like, oh my god, this is, I actually overdid myself here. This is one of, wow. And I had doubts, you know, but you know something, I always come out on top.